Hello everyone, here I am with you with another tutorial from the SMM Stone, and I am going to teach you how to make payments in the Payeer website in order to use our services. But first, you should have an account. If you don't already have an account, create one by clicking on the Create Account button. After that, you are redirected to this page, which you are required to type in your email address. After typing in your email address, click on the Create Account button, after which you are redirected to this page, which a code has been sent to your email, and you should go to your email address, copy that code, and paste it here, and click on the Create Account. After pasting the code, the Create Account button will uh, be turned on. After pasting your code and verifying your account, you are redirected to this page, which is step 2, which you are required to set a password, a username, and um, here is your secret code. So I'm going to leave it like this. This is the default username and password suggestion. So I'm going to leave it like this and click on the next. And here I am required to fill in my personal information, um, like name, last name, and the country where I live. So now that my account is created, I can make payments. And for that, you have to go on this add button with a plus icon next to it. You click on add. And here you should choose your system of payment. You click on the choose system, and you can choose either Visa or MasterCard. Doesn't matter. It supports both. So I'm going to click on Visa, but you can choose MasterCard if uh, that is convenient for you. And here you set the amount that you want to charge your account. For example, I'm going to go by $20. That would be a total of $21. And then click on Add. After clicking on Add, then you are redirected to this page where you can confirm your receipt and verify if this is what you want. If this is what you want, then you click on Confirm. It takes a couple of seconds to be redirected to the paying page. Here, you are required to add the information of your credit card. For example, I chose Visa card, and now I am required to fill in the information of my Visa card. You enter the card number here and the expiration information, year and month, and the name of the person who the card belongs to. And here you type in your CVV code or CVC code and then click on Pay. After clicking on Pay, you receive a text message from your bank account containing a verification code. And after entering the verification code into the next page, the payment is done and your account is charged and you can use our services.